In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic habit tracker in Notion. We'll keep it simple and focused, so by the end, you'll have a clean, automated system to track your routines without extra work. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. We're going straight to the built-in solutions, so there's no need to build a tracker from scratch. Once the page loads, look for the Marketplace. This is where Notion collects ready-made templates and setups created to save you time. Click Marketplace to open it. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type Habit Tracker. This will bring up templates designed specifically for tracking daily, weekly, or monthly habits. Choose one that mentions automatic progress or includes features like checkboxes, counters, or progress bars. Those are the pieces that will update themselves as you log your habits. When you've found a template you like, add it to your workspace. Notion will create a copy for you to use and modify. Once it's added, feel free to customize everything so it fits your life. Start by renaming the page to something meaningful, like Daily Habits or Wellness Tracker. Then, add the habits you actually do or want to start, such as reading, exercise, hydration, or journaling. Most templates include a database with a name column for the habit and a property for each day or a checkbox you can tick as you complete it. Keep what you need and remove what you don't to reduce clutter. If the template includes a date property, set it to reflect your current week or month so progress calculations stay accurate. Many habit tracker templates already include formulas that calculate completion rates. As you check off your habits, you'll see a percentage or bar update automatically. That's your built-in progress. You can personalize the look and feel too. Add icons or colors to make the tracker inviting, group related habits together, and reorder items so your most important habits appear first. If the template provides different views, like a calendar, table, or board, switch between them to see your habits from different angles. A calendar view is great for spotting streaks, while a table is perfect for quick check-ins. From here, your workflow is straightforward. Open your tracker each day, tick off what you've completed, and let the template handle the math. Over time, you'll spot trends, celebrate wins, and make adjustments with confidence. That's all it takes to create an automatic habit tracker in Notion using the Marketplace and a few thoughtful customizations.